What's up, Paradise Crew? My name's Griff.
And I'm Alyssa.
And today we're going to teach you guys 10 reasons of why you should cruise at Christmas.
Ooh. Welcome to our Christmas in July episode. Last December, we cruised on the Carnival Magic. And I think that it was probably one of our most magical cruises because of all of the Christmas festivities.
Yep.
So if you have not seen those vlogs, I will link them in the description box below and you can check them out later. We wanted to make this video to encourage you to consider taking a cruise around Christmas. So here are our 10 tips on why you should.
So a cruise at Christmas actually makes a great Christmas gift. Why? Because it's all about the experience, not so much the stuff.
Reason number 2 is you can see some amazing places. Most of us spend Christmas in one location year after year. Why not visit multiple islands that you may have never been to before?
Reason number 3 is the weather. Who wouldn't want to get away from that ice cold snow, those blizzards, and actually be on a tropical island instead?
Reason number 4 is all of the beautiful Christmas decorations that are on board. And not just on board, some of the islands are even decorated.
Reason number 5 is all the cool Christmas activities that are actually on the ship. So the tree lighting ceremony, there's an ugly Christmas sweater decoration contest, there's Christmas caroling, so lots of fun stuff. Very festive.
Very festive. Reason number 6 is Santa still comes. So have no fear, kids, Santa will find your ship.
Reason number 7 is stress-free quality time. There's no wrapping gifts, hosting crazy parties, planning fancy dinners. I mean, if you think about it, there's a reason why Christmas with the Cranks, he wanted to go to the Caribbean.
Reason number 8 is you can invite as many or as few people as you want. If you don't like going over to Aunt Carol's house with all of your extended family, you can just invite a few people. Or if you love being around all of your family, you all can go. It's up to you.
Reason number 9 is you can get some amazing Christmas photos, guys. So keep that in mind too.
And reason number 10 is you can book a cruise from Christmas through New Year's so you can celebrate 2 holidays in one.
Bonus tip. I know, what's Christmas without snow? Guess what? It snows on the ship too. So they find numerous ways to make sure your Christmas vacation is a very magical one.
If you're still unsure about booking a cruise for Christmas, or if you are super ready to book, go head over to our website at trappedinparadise.tv.com and fill out our little form, or send us an email at alyssa@trappedinparadise.tv.com.
If you have any questions or you just want to get to know us a little better, hang out with us. We have a private Facebook group, totally free for you guys. It's Griff and Alyssa, Paradise Crew. So drop on over and say hey.
As always, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.
And if you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise.